Today's tutorial, how to convert a PDF to a PNG in C#. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to convert PDF files to images in C# using the IronPDF library. We'll cover converting PDFs, specific page ranges, and even converting web pages directly to images. This is incredibly useful for creating thumbnails, previews, or archiving documents. So let's jump on in. First, let me show you the NuGet Package Manager. As you can see here in Visual Studio, I've already installed the IronPDF library. This powerful library gives us all the PDF manipulation and conversion capabilities that we need for this project. Now, let's look at the program.cs file. At the top, we're importing the IronPDF namespace. I've hidden the license configuration in the region for obvious reasons. The first thing we do is load a PDF document using PDF document to from file. I'm loading the Python crash course PDF from my downloads folder. Then we use the rasterize to image files method to convert the entire PDF to JPEG images. The asterisk in the path acts as a placeholder that will be replaced with page numbers so that each page becomes a separate image file in the full PDF folder. The second, more advanced example converts specific PDF pages. We use enumerable.range to define a page index range, for example, the first 10 pages starting at 0. Then we call rasterize to image files with parameters, the desired page indexes, image width, image height, default image type, and high quality DPI 300. These images are saved in the Some Pages folder. Third example uses Chrome PDF Renderer to convert a web page, so in this case, Amazon homepage, directly to a PDF via render URL as a PDF, and then rasterizes the PDF to images saved in the URL PDF folder. This is useful for capturing web page snapshots or archiving online content. Before we run the code, let me show you the PDF that we're going to be converting. Here's the Python crash course PDF I was talking about. As you can see, it's a pretty comprehensive book with multiple pages, colorful folder, and plenty of content. All right, so let's run the program and see the magic happen. I'm going to hit the run button now, and this will take a moment as it processes the PDF and generates all the image files. The program is now converting the PDF pages to images and also fetching and converting the Amazon web page. We'll just give it a few seconds to complete. And perfect, the conversion is complete. So now let me show you the results. I'm opening the image folder where all of our converted files are stored. As you can see, we have 3 subfolders: full PDF, some pages, and URL PDF. So let's explore each one. First, let's check the full PDF folder. And look at all these images. The entire PDF has been converted into individual JPEG files, one for each page. And you can see image files numbered from 1 all the way through the entire book. Each page has been converted with excellent quality, maintaining all the text and graphics from the original. So now let's look at Some Pages folder. Here we exactly have 10 images as we specified in our code. These are the first 10 pages from the PDF, converted with our custom dimensions of 850 by 650 and the 300 DPI resolution. You can see the cover page and the first few content pages, all rendered beautifully with sharp text and clear images. Finally, let's check the URL PDF folder. And this is the Amazon homepage that was converted to PDF and then to images. And if you look at this, we have multiple image files showing different sections of the Amazon website. And conversion captured the entire web page, including the product listings, navigation, and layout. This is fantastic for archiving web content or creating website screenshots. All right, and that's it. We've successfully converted PDF to images using IronPDF in 3 different ways: converting an entire PDF, converting specific pages with custom dimensions and resolution, and even converting a web page URL directly to images. This technique is incredibly useful for generating thumbnails, creating image-based archives, building document preview systems, or capturing web content for records. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from us. And if you want to get started with IronPDF, please sign up for the trial on the site, continue to download and install the package, and experience our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.